Hello, today we will guide you through how to get Cloudflare API key. To begin, open your Cloudflare account homepage and make sure you are signed in. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct account before making any changes. This is especially helpful if you manage more than one account or team environment. From the account home screen, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal settings and security options. If you do not immediately see the menu items, give it a second to load and then continue. Next, click on Profile. This will take you to your profile settings area where Cloudflare keeps your account preferences, login details, and security-related tools. Since API access is tied to your account, this is the section you need for the next part of the process. Once you are in your profile settings, click on API Tokens. This page is where Cloudflare manages token-based access and related authentication settings. Depending on your account permissions and security setup, you may see options for tokens as well as access to your global API key controls. On the API Tokens page, click on Change. This option allows you to update or reveal the API key area, but Cloudflare protects it with an extra verification step for security reasons. That extra protection is important because API keys can provide broad access to your account if they are not handled carefully. After that, click on Send Verification Code. Cloudflare will begin the verification process, usually by sending a code through the security method connected to your account. Be sure to check the appropriate location and enter the code promptly if required, since some verification codes expire after a short time. Then follow the on-screen procedure to complete verification and continue. The exact prompts may vary depending on your account's security settings, but Cloudflare will walk you through what is needed. Read each message carefully and complete each prompt in order. As you finish, remember to store your API key securely and avoid sharing it in public documents, messages, or screenshots. If you only need limited access for a specific integration, consider reviewing whether an API token is a safer option for your use case. That's it. You have now gone through the process of accessing the Cloudflare API key area and completing the required verification steps.